Snoring can just be physiological or pathological. The nature say a bit my yare, a bit sunny yare. There was snoring a yare, snoring any yare. Snoring basically would there will be a woman be out defining through suicide. Ebi no da ucho mi ma ade tia bi wo ho even uvula then ade soft one be so top part of your jaw no even no soft pilot ebi no da it me fall back kata bi omo home so nti space na living very small enti wo home from man try say be fam e speed try say be fam e compensate try say be fam enti e fam sana as in from e fa tube mu but hash and ha and I'm snoring in the so we observe here, snoring is very common in obese people. Among for almost say flesh ne fast ne on the doors and almost die just fall back on baby almost home no. Almost snore. And it's very common in alcoholics too. You can see they snore a lot. And also alcohol relaxing muscles ne one. It's a relaxes I fall back on baby home no. Catastrophe kakra. This has small space na can if man try say be room abuao. And then while you're ready, you'll be obstructive sleep apnea. You be omoda, we was home crisis, you guys will air can back no home in 10 compensate. And this snoring, no, now make just be a binum say nimia deba. A binum so mutanya recurrent infections, or baby home fan, and also occludi baby home. It's all about baby home say, baby catastrophe cry. And I just know neighbor. Normally, mother supine and as a flat soon. Uda say otang, it me really back. Kata baby home soon. Euclidino, and Tiano whom me a push and count, me a obre. And now that's a gravity so acting on gravity acting on you. Then also to soft pilot in Ulan Ekatasu. And also Ota snow. And since they say, and never be bar a boy alleviates animal snoring way. It's all about education and counseling.